together. Today we're going to be making some super fun content for you guys, so stay tuned. Let's go! Alright, so right now me and Brooke are going to take some photos in the super cute Jim Ollie sports bra. Do you want to go first? Sure. Dude, look how cute you are! Not cute. That looks so cute.
Do you even like the beach?
Yes. I don't want to get all soaking wet. So while we're here, we're going to do a quick mini workout and get our abs shredded. You ready? I'm definitely ready. Let's do this. Okay, so you're going to get into a plank position and then I'm going to hold your ankles. Okay, ready?
Oh.
We did it! Are you okay? Did I get sand all over you? No. Okay, good. Right now, we're going over here to take some photos. Me and Brooke going on an adventure through these little rocks. I really hope there's no crabs in here because I hate crabs. To Molly. Shooting a bunch of super fun stuff for the Jim Ollie page. And we're super excited for you guys to check out all the new content, so stay tuned for more. Want to go for